Hello everyone สวัสดีทุกคน Mabuhay everyone
Whoa.
Oh. Felt that.
B-roll, ganon.
They will see my pores.
Yeah, may ganon masisi. Filter? Filter is a must.
Just a little bit.
There's a little bit of filter. Okay, got it.
Well, the only way we can intro this right now is pretty much by saying hello everyone สวัสดีทุกคน and Mabuhay everyone. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah, okay.
It's probably the only
Just
way
like
we can do
that,
it. Alright, so today we're in a completely different setting. We are at a new place. And today we have Red with us today.
Hello. Hello. Hey, my name is Red and I'm from the Philippines.
Yeah.
As you can tell, the clip today is probably not going to be too much Thai. Although, someone's been here for about, how many years have you been here?
15 ปีนะครับ
See?
Oh, I like
เห็นแล้วแบบคุยภาษาไทยได้ น่าจะคุยชัดกว่าผมด้วย
ได้อยู่
So today it's mainly going to be English, so sorry for all the Thai people. There's probably going to be a bit of Tagalog in this, so I'm going to apologize to myself because I don't understand anything except for derecho, kaliwa, and kanan. That's all I got. You've obviously seen me once before, but this is a long time since last time. What's been happening, man?
After the first session I had with you, I feel better. It's good and it's wonderful. I never had that back pain again. Yeah, just slight, after I do some exercise, but feeling better the first session.
Yeah, unfortunately, no exercise now. Can't get into Jets fitness.
Yes,
Wait.
true.
I mean, I'd say Jets. Sorry, guys.
Hello, Jets.
Hello, Jets.
Open already.
Okay.
Trying, guys.
Okay, cut.
Cut.
Okay, so Red, what brings you right now? So, a bit of back tightness.
Yep,
Any major injuries or just general tightness right now?
just general tightness. Mostly at night time, especially when I sit for an hour doing my internet thing or computer.
Other good thing is, I guess, for all the people watching at home, might hear a bit different because we're testing out a new mic today. See if that makes a difference to any ASMR guys that are out there watching right now. So first things first, can you sit down and be a good boy for me? Yeah? No barking? Okay, so just try to bend down for me. What's the word for Tagalog for bend down?
Yuko.
Okay, yuko. That's not gonna help me. Okay, yuko. Yuko, gom long. Sort there.
Cut.
Okay, that's as far as you can go? Okay, any general stiffness?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming back over the hand. How's that feel? Good sore? Okay. Then back to the left for me. Okay, it's a little bit easier. Then back to the right. Yeah, so it's more centralized. Okay, cool. Alright. Taking a seat on the table for me. I mean, next is general stiffness and that kind of stuff. That mainly across through here.
Yeah.
Did you get any pain?
Just a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put this. Let's put that here. On the nice super large chair. I mean, that in itself doesn't feel very good. I mean, if it's Thai, it'd be like, Jet May.
Damn.
So his left side's overloaded. That's here. Then it shoots across to the right there.
Yeah.
Then it travels to the left here. Gets this all locked up. And pushes across to the right.
I feel
See that?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Do the hands again. Woo.
Yeah, that's good. You can make him dance there. See?
How do you feel?
Feels good. I'm excited. What's that? It's a gun? Okay.
Oh, that feels good.
I feel like my blood is everywhere. It's so good.
Let's suss it out. See what this does. Alright, I'll take a deep breath in. Okay, deep breath out.
Whoa. So so good.
I'm curious to hear what that microphone sounds like. Okay, take another breath in. Okay, deep breath out. Good. Lie down on your side facing towards the left. So your right hand shoulder. Okay. What's the Tagalog word for don't fart?
Huwag kang uutot. Wag. Wag is no.
Wag?
Wag uutot.
Wag o otot.
Uutot. Yes,
Okay.
that's good.
Wag o otot.
Don't fart.
Well, we want the sound of this. We don't want the sound of this. Right?
It's okay. It's a max. It's a max.
Okay. Alright. Let's move it in. Deep breath in. Okay, deep breath in. Okay. Go again. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Okay. Alright. Alright. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. That's one way to do it. Alright.
Yeah.
Lie down and face up for me. A couple of things going on here, man.
Ah. Ooh.
So to nullify the pain, you talk to me while this is going on. Well, what else has been happening?
Oh, wait.
Alternatively, he's in too much pain. You can't really talk around that now.
Wag uutot.
Well, go thought. That also works too.
There's pain and it tickles me.
For anyone who doesn't know, you probably want to tell people what you do here.
I've been in Thailand for 15 years and I'm a teacher by profession. So I taught for 10 years here in Thailand, and then I think 2015 I resigned, and then now I do a full-time volunteer in a Christian church. So probably you can say that like a missionary thing.
So since 2015, that's what, 6 years now?
Running 6 years now.
Okay. And in case people are interested, whereabouts is the church?
Well, I'm connected to, it's called the Grace Bangkok Church. So our church is in Patum 1 Princess Hotel, which is adjacent to MBK Mall. So by now you can search it online, like Grace Bangkok Church on Facebook. We do online for now, for the moment, because of the COVID thing. But it's good. I hope you guys, check out our videos there, our online service.
For anyone interested, I'll pop the details down in the description. All right. Do you guys have plans of going back to normal soon?
Yes, we do have plans, but we'll see. Waiting for the government announcement. Though we're allowed to meet up 25 people, but we're more than 25, so we can't. So
See, you notice he starts talking right now. He's in less pain. That's what, 15 years in this country.
15. Yes.
15 years.
I came here in 2006, April.
Yeah, it's more of a local than I am right now. Take my Thai ID and have to give it to him. Lie down face down for me.
Okay.
So,
Oh, nobody
I
asked.
got a tip. Extra fun tools. This looked like
Don't show
alcohol
us.
gel.
It's a gel.
Honey, what do you use this for?
It's both for my face and all the parts. It's a good gel. It stays lubricated.
She gave us
That's for the face?
She gave us lubricant.
It's not lubricated. Papa, no, it's not like that.
It looks like lubricant. I'm sorry.
Wait, no, look at that. No.
I don't know about you guys. It looks like lubricant.
Bobby!
Need to expose some of this, alright? So, pop your stomach up.
How much my fats?
We're all fat now, buddy. Trust me. Just need to lubricate you first. Alcohol gel.
It's not alcohol.
My face.
Oh my god.
Meanwhile, look at the puppies. They're all calm now.
They're friends with
They're friends now. Can you be your old to the puppies for a second? Look, they're all calm now.
Hello, come eat,
We
Daddy.
got spectators
Hello
in here.
po. Daddy, do you want in dog food? Yes.
We got spectators.
So cute.
Say hi, Clint. Hi.
Hey.
Hi, vlog.
Hey, vlog.
This is something I haven't used since back in Australia, actually. All I'm trying to do is glide muscle fibers over the top and re-elasticize the fascia. You're going to be a bit red though. So you can feel like where it locks up. Remember how I said that issue across here, then it comes up left? Feel that's normal, then it glides up.
Minamasa ka.
I heard that. I know what that is.
No, it's like when you're like baking and then like you're trying to knead.
This is baking?
No, you're kneading the dough.
This is one way to... Okay,
No, it's kneading the dough, right?
I guess it's some sort of baking right now. 15 years. How's 15 years here compared to, I guess, 20 years back home, back in Philippines?
Well, Thailand is my second home. It feels good here actually. I love Thai food.
Thai food.
I love the Thai culture. It's good to be here actually. Well, I miss home. It's easy to go around Thailand too. I love beautiful places here, so many.
Okay, would you say better here or better there?
When it comes to work, I think it's much better here.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of benefits as well. And well, because I'm in Bangkok, so everything is quite fast.
I mean, the food is definitely good here. That's somebody tapping out now.
Woo. It's a combination of pain, but there's always relief.
I thought you were going to say
I-
pain and pleasure. That would just be sounding really bad.
I don't know how to describe that, but there's pain, but there's also the combination of relief. So good. Hey there. Hi.
Hello vlog.
It's good. It feels good. Yes. Oh. Yes.
Honey, they don't always sound like this, alright?
I know.
When we eventually get to the neck, which will be in a second, it's gonna be an adjustment that probably is gonna be a little bit new to you.
Woo. Yes. Oh no.
See, there's a bit of nerve as well. The good thing is when I get to the neck, I can sit in the gaming chair. A little bit more comfortable than what I get usually.
Oh no.
I thought that noise was common. Like, in all seriousness, that redness will go down in 2 days.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there's redness and bruising at the back, bro. Okay.
Redness
It's okay.
is just the blood coming back
It's
up
a
to the
blood,
top.
yeah. But wet wipes.
It's so sticky.
It's not. Look, it's just it's sticky right now, pero like it will soak up in the skin. It's gonna be moisturized. You'll see. You have to trust me on this.
I'm just embarrassing my wife.
I'm used to it.
Because this just looks really bad.
Are you trying to embarrass me?
I'm talking about
Stop.
lubricant and I'm doing this motion. I'm so sorry right now.
No!
What?
Stop it!
It's what I'm like. I'm Australian. You married me. This clip will only be watched by Australians and Filipinos anyway. So it'll be funny. If people are going to watch this, they're going to laugh. Because life's not to be taken seriously.
That's true. Wow, it's coming from you.
It's supposed to be taken with glycerin and dye water.
It's glycerin dye water.
It's okay, we need to motion his neck a little bit first. Alright? We don't go straight into adjustments, because if we go straight into adjustments, his neck will lock up. Come closer. Closer, my child, closer. I'm just enjoying the fact that I'm sitting in a Secret Labs chair while motioning someone's neck. It's actually pretty fun. For everyone thinking, yes, I used to be a gamer. No, I'm not currently a gamer anymore. My wife's now the gamer. And yes, I play games on a Mac.
Just a moment, wait.
Which is hideous.
Making sure you edit it, like make it my face clear. Just kidding.
Get them forced.
See, this is why I use a Mac. I can edit on that. Alright, let's get an adjustment through. Okay, so shuffle down slightly for me. Okay, good. So this is the new one I told you you're not gonna have felt before. Okay. So let's see. Nope. Traction feels good. Okay. So good. Drop your shoulder. Ooh. Okay. That's a new one I'm testing out. You would have felt about down there. Oh. Nice and easy enough, right?
Comment is reacting as well.
Comments liking it.
Agree reaction.
Right inside.
Oh. Felt that.
Can I just say I'm just enjoying the fact that I'm in a Secret Labs chair?
No, you said
Sponsorship, Secret Labs. Hint.
Say ba kaya naman? Say Bakanaman.
Bakanaman. What's that mean?
Yeah, it's like in the Filipino lingo, it's like gay lingo, it's like, maybe you will have to send me Bakanaman. What is Bakanaman?
Does that mean free chair?
Maybe you can give me something like that. Bakanaman.
Does that make sense if I say Bakanaman 2022? Does that make sense? Bakanaman 2022. They're not going to give me a 2022 chair.
You never know.
If you do, I'm going to start streaming. So that means the last 6 years you've been here, so he's doing missionary work now. You're still teaching at all?
We do have a teaching thing, but it's like it's a free lesson, English lesson.
Okay.
So we do go to some universities and we teach English for free.
Okay.
But not every day, like maybe an hour and 30 minutes.
Alright. Which universities are that you guys kind of doing that at?
Chulalongkorn.
Okay.
And yeah, mostly in Bangkok University before.
Okay, nice. So does that mean outside people can just jump into Chulalongkorn University and get a free hour of English?
Yeah.
Huh.
We are connected to one faculty, like Faculty of Science, and then it's open to all. So it's mostly open to all students, yeah.
Should I be plugging that in Thai then? สำหรับคนที่อยากเรียนภาษาอังกฤษครับก็ติดต่อคุณเรนที่จุดที่ไหนนะ ที่มหาวิทยาลัยจุฬาเลยครับ Most of the Thais that go to July University are pretty good at English anyway.
True, yeah. But mostly aside from English, we offer leadership classes. And yeah, some workshops for them.
Yeah, that's normal.
Yeah.
Okay, sitting up for me. Okay, turning left. Hands are back here neck. Fingers good. Okay, drop your arms down. Good.
Solid yarn.
Further down there.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Just poking there. Sorry, buddy. So if there's any Filipinos that are watching this right now from Philippines, looking to do, I guess, teach English and Thai, because apparently a lot of people do, would you tell them worth coming here to do it or not worth it? Stay away as much as possible?
It's a different experience, you know. I had a good experience teaching in Thailand, and I think it's a lot of Filipinos, they wanted to teach abroad as well. Maybe in US, Canada, somewhere. They want to try Southeast Asia, then Thailand is a good place to start your teaching career as well.
Plus, it's pretty close to home, I guess.
And it is. Actually, there's also different, if they want to go to Myanmar, Cambodia, or Laos, you know, there's also a lot of teaching careers. But I love Thailand because, especially in the city, it's a lot of good schools here that you can try. But if you will come, then you have to be ready. It's a different culture.
Any advice you can give them?
Food here is good. I think just be ready in all aspects, you know, mentally, emotionally. And it's so different here than teaching in the Philippines. We have a different, in Thailand they have a different educational system. And for me, it's good to learn new culture here. In teaching in Thailand, it's pretty good.
Because it's good, because a lot of people I see from the Philippines, they want to come here and they want to learn.
Come here and find Dr. Andrew. Yeah.
Well, hopefully they don't need to see me. Painful and ticklish, right?
Yes. Hold on.
So back to the Filipinos, I guess, who are interested in Southeast Asia and trying to do some work abroad. Is there anything they need to sort of prepare themselves, like specific certificates, specific like contact embassies or whatnot?
Well, I think
any pitfalls that you sort of like fell into the first time?
Well, it's my first school was a bit terrible, but it was a good experience also.
We won't mention names of schools.
Yeah. No. But I think one of the things that a certain Filipino, if they want to try to work as a teacher in Thailand, first they have to be ready financially when they come here. because you cannot say that you'll get a job sooner. So maybe at least you can provide for yourself at least for 3 months without a job. Because some of them, they just come here and then they prepared like certain amount for just to get by for 1 month. What if you get a job for 3 to 4 months, for example? So, you don't want to be like me before that but my experience was I had a job after a week staying in Thailand, so it was easy for me. But for most of the Filipinos here that I encountered, most of them they had a difficulty finding a job. So at least you are an education graduate, you have a degree. Aside from education, aside from being a teacher, then you can have another degree, of course. That's much more important. And come here with enough finances again for you to get by at least 3 months. For you not to ask money from your family back home.
Gotta make sure we don't ask money from family, right? Sorry, Mum, Dad. Stop laughing, wife. Come on.
Well, Filipino culture, like helping out the people in the Philippines, like it's something like we're proud of. Like family is important.
I think also, typical Filipino, we send money back home.
Yeah.
I think there's nothing wrong about sending money back
That's
home,
true,
but
that's true.
most of the Filipinos, we don't want to live paycheck to paycheck. So save money for yourself as well, and then send back home. Definitely for Filipinos, like OFW, they send a lot of money and then they don't have money for
Savings,
themselves
yeah.
here. So I think that's not a good practice.
That's true.
We have to be a good steward of our finances also. So you cannot give what you don't have. So
This is turning into a financial consultant.
that's from my personal experience.
It's good. At the start of the clip, Red wasn't really talking too much, and now it's like, we started. Here we go.
It's showing now.
My first 3 years here, I was living paycheck to paycheck because I was sending money back home, and then I had nothing much left, for me. And then I realized that when you send money home, not all, this is just my experience. Whatever you send, it's gonna be gone.
That's true.
Unless you have a business or something that's why you're sending back home. But if you're just sending to help them monthly expenses, then it's gonna be gone. So save for yourself first and for an emergency. Because Thailand is, we won't be here until we die. So
Good thing
make
about
sure
that is a lot of foods are very affordable.
Mm.
Like, you can buy chicken for like
Chicken.
50 pesos
Yeah.
or like 50 to 60 pesos. You got a
True.
kilo of chicken. That's
Do we miss the price of beef back in Australia though?
oh yeah. That's
Even Philippines.
beef jerky.
Just
like
beef.
Australian beef. Like,
Just beef in general. Even in Philippines,
Wow.
it was cheaper.
Yeah. Beef here is like hard to find.
It's because it's from Lao.
Wow.
One of the best things about Thailand is food here is so cheap. You can buy
That's true.
from the street. It's amazing.
Hi, Tommy. That's our look at our audience.
Hello.
See, I changed positions now. Stop them talking. It's true though. It's like. Actually, I was about to say it's like your family. Oh man, I better not say that. That's not good. Think of a better one. I can't say that. It's gonna be bad.
Oh, it's not bad.
So it's better. It's like half family, friends back in Philippines.
Yeah.
Once you Filipinos start talking, my goodness,
Like,
can't stop you guys talking. I found a trick. Change positions.
If you give us microphone, then we'll sing karaoke.
yeah. I have a karaoke.
Oh man.
Don't get her to
I want to hear you singing, bro.
I got
Philippines.
3 Filipinos in this room right now, and you want the half Australian, half Thai guy to
You
sing?
should.
He
No.
doesn't sing at all.
Really?
He doesn't.
It's not good. It's not good.
It's okay, bro.
Hey, that's not nice.
I'm very honest. That's why you love me. I'm so honest.
It's not nice. It's not good.
Oh.
He's good looking, so good looking, very talented chiropractor, very nice husband. But singing, dancing, okay. Next question, please.
That's nice. Alright, lie down to your side face that way.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Still not nice though. I can't sing. Yeah, now we got his facial reaction now. It's not nice. I can't sing. I know
He's getting brutal now.
I know I can't sing, but
Yes.
you can't say, don't say it to my face. Compared to Filipinos, no one can sing anyway.
I don't know why most of Filipinos they love to sing.
Yeah, you guys can sing and dance as a whole.
I don't understand why.
Well, what am I supposed to do against that? That's why whenever friends in the Philippines go, hey, you want to go karaoke? I go, no, I'm staying home. I was there for what, about 2 months, honey? 2-3 months?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
How many times did you go karaoke? Once.
That was the longest stay
Yeah.
you had in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Like 2 months?
Like non-stop back to back. I was there for about 3 months when I switched from work to Australia, from here to Philippines. And you remember? Went to Philippines once with your friends. Every single one was a Filipino. How many songs did I sing?
Oh my god. How many?
0.
0.
Do you know why?
Everybody's.
Because I started singing for about 20 seconds and everyone laughed, so I stopped. Trying to in a karaoke room with you guys, like trying to get the microphone from you guys is a nightmare. You can't get it.
That's a crime.
Everybody's singing.
Somebody invites me and a Filipino to karaoke. It's just,
Do you love also Filipino food?
of course. That's why I married one.
Mary cooks well, yeah? Does she cook?
You cook, don't you, honey?
Sorry?
You cook, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
Favorite?
He likes menu fritada.
Afritada.
The tomato
The beef
sauce babe.
afritada.
Pork. Or the caldereta is pork, right?
Oh.
Yeah, caldereta. He likes adobo. Oh no, lumpia! That's his favorite.
Lumpia.
Oh, pork
Yeah.
lumpia.
With the meat or
Pork.
mix?
Pork lumpia. But I mix vegetables sometimes.
Yeah. Anybody wants to see me can make pork lumpia, send it
He loves
immediately.
lumpia.
Lola's
It's
Kitchen.
probably
baka
not.
naman.
Huh?
Lola's Kitchen, baka naman.
Lola's Kitchen, baka naman. Say Lola's.
Lola's Kitchen, if you're watching this, send pork lumpia.
Galit si Lola's Kitchen.
Oh.
I have to buy
That could be
it.
good, like get sponsored by a Filipino restaurant. Is that a thing?
Yeah, I don't know.
YouTube clip being sponsored by
But you know, there's a lot of Filipino who sells online like Filipino food. If you can order that. It's
anybody with pork lumpia, send to where do we live?
Yeah.
That's true.
Don't say our address. Send immediately. Send to the clinic. Oh, I'll get it from the clinic.
Yeah.
Stand up for me.
Stand up.
Stranger.
English is bad. I said stand is sitting. Alright, stand up.
Because
We
it's-
didn't touch his toes before, now he's touching them. Which is always a good start. Alright, coming up. Bend back. How's that feel?
Nothing.
Okay.
Better.
Good. Alright, that's it for this clip. If anyone's interested in obviously connecting through a Christian life group, probably contact Red. I'll put details downstairs. Like I said, this is probably the best time to stay connected to people because everyone needs someone right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially at this time.
Oh yeah. In the meantime, how's your back feeling, man?
Feels good. Feels better. I like it. It seems like a therapy.
I would hope it's a therapy.
You guys should try. It feels good. Amazing. It'll change your life for the better.
Thank you for watching this clip, guys. Anybody's interested, just press like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time. See you guys
Thank you
later.
everyone. Sawadee krap.